Oh no. No 12k incoming, Smins. You missed it. You blinked. You blinked and it's gone. One make profit. Fucking true. Bro, I've been watching your words for 5 fucking years, bro. It was 17k, and then you said 12k, and then I've been watching it and nothing. Check out my pickle, exactly. Bro, it's been so long. Oh, look at who we got in general. What's up, Annex? How you doing, man? Welcome back.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah. What's going on?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Oh man, I'm fucking so happy to be back.
Aeon, what's going on, man?
No idea.
Yeah, where were you?
India.
What?
Yeah, bro. I've been there for the last month. That's why I've been somewhat MIA and just popping in, you know, randomly. Also, because it's a completely different time zone.
Did you get the shits?
No, bro. The Delhi belly, dude. I have an iron stomach. I was born and raised there, so it's
okay,
not that big of a deal.
gotcha. So you're fucking genetically bred for that kind of shit, eh?
Yeah.
Gotcha. How did you enjoy it?
What's up?
How did you like it?
Good, man. I got to hang out with family, which was fucking amazing.
Yeah, that's always a good one. Honestly, it's very underrated. I feel like, you know, when we were kids, it's always like, oh, I want to be away from my family, and then when you get to be an adult, it's like, oh, I just want to spend more time with my family.
Yeah, exactly. And of course, grandma's cooking.
Oh.
You know, can't fucking go wrong.
Bro, say less.
Oh man.
It's good to have you back, man.
Thanks, Mara. I'll be on regularly now. Back to work. Back to making some money.
Yeah, back to trading. Were you just glancing at the markets when you were over there, or were you actually trading?
I was, but like it was really tough, man, because like markets would start at 7 p.m. literally around dinner time. So it's like we're getting together with family and you know,
yeah,
and then till 1:30, 2 o'clock, and it's like, oh, that's tough.
Yeah, I feel that.
So,
fucks your whole sleep schedule up.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I'm sleeping throughout the day.
That's cool, man. I've never been to India. That's actually I've been wanting to go, but you know, it's a completely different world. I feel like.
Yeah, bro. It's quite candidly, it's a fucking shithole. It's basically what it comes down to. I fucking hate that country.
Yeah, I feel that the infrastructure isn't great. The poverty's not so nice either.
Terrible legal system, terrible medical healthcare. I mean, you just, you know.
Yeah, bro. Welcome to poverty.
Exactly. Oh my god. So, let's see, markets are going up today. God damn, that was the time to buy some indices, huh?
Yeah, it was the time to buy a bunch of shit. It was the time to buy a bunch of shit.
I was in the plane, man. I had a few orders.
It's okay. I missed the stream yesterday, and literally like all of the fucking signals came, you know. And like today, I was like looking at it, I was like, holy shit, we're going for a river.
Yeah. And a couple of indies got released while I was gone too. Jesus.
Yeah,
what's
dude.
with this SSR? I'm gonna have to learn that shit.
These guys have been putting in the work.
I'm just shitting on him, Kosh, right now. Who's that, Chubbs? Chubbs, are you on fucking Twitch, bro? Yeah, airplane. Dude, bro, I tried to log into my brokerage. I had Wi-Fi. I tried to log into my brokerage. Fucking, they wouldn't fucking let me.
Yeah, dude, you gotta get that VPN. Spoof the IPs.
Oh. Yeah, I had that shit too. Fuck. Whatever. Shit happens. Fuck it, I guess. Oh.
Bro, Smintz is throwing some shade at you on stream.
Is he?
Yeah.
Schmintz, you son of a... I missed you too, brother. How's grandma? Give grandma my fucking best regards. You know what I'm saying?
You said come to Miami.
You fucking regard you. Is swearing allowed on your stream, Vlad?
Everything's allowed, bro. I feel like, you know, like if we haven't been shadow banned already, we're probably well on our way there. We're good to go.
Well, Bali's been on your stream, so.
Bro, all good, all good.
Good shit, bro. Oh my god, my shit's down. Jesus, Inkosh. Way to just cross the fucking line. Oh wait, where's the line? The line fucking doesn't exist. Where's Poppy? Poppy, come on stream. Is he on Twitch? Yeah.
Yo.
What's up?
Oh, what's happening?
What's
Bro.
up, man?
I missed you, bro.
Yeah, bro, but you go away and then say you miss us. Yeah.
Well, I mean, that's kind of why I missed you guys, because I wasn't on. I didn't hear your voice. I didn't hear you talk about Love Hotel.
No, man. How long you
Yeah, Poppy's been invading Poland, okay?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
I'm
really?
Yeah.
Oh,
For like
okay.
maybe 1 month already. Time goes so fast.
Damn. Okay.
And now I have to gonna go back to Spain because now starting a cold over here. Rain and shit.
Oh, okay. You trying to make this a permanent thing, like back and forth, or what? Or was this just a?
No, I was like in Spain for like 3 years without ever coming to Netherlands, you know. So a lot of things that I still had to do over here.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah, so I almost did
Housekeeping
everything
items,
now.
huh?
Huh?
Some housekeeping items.
Yeah. So,
Gotcha.
so yeah, almost did everything, and now just going back to Spain. I think what day is today? I think somewhere next week, maybe Tuesday or something like this.
Nice, bro. Yeah, it's good that you're getting back. Well, I mean, they're gonna fucking start opening up. I heard they were opening up US, so I'm assuming like a lot of countries are gonna open up simultaneously.
It's all everything is already open, you know. Only over here now you need to get like vaccinated to go in restaurants and shit like this, you know. So over here Netherlands not so good
Right.
anymore, but in Spain I think
Gotcha.
still good.
I see. Okay.
Powerful, man. Powerful. And you, how long did you was in India?
Dude, bro, a month, and it was fucking painful. It was 2 weeks, way too long.
Yeah, man. I could have thought
You
that,
know,
man. Like 1 month is long. It's a long time, man.
yeah, it was just too much, and I was struggling. Fucking hotel Wi-Fi sucked in the first place, so I couldn't even even if I joined these streams, I wasn't able to hear much. It was all broken up and shit. It was terrible.
Fucking 480p resolutions.
Yeah, I would be lucky if I got fucking 480, bro. It was like fucking being in dial-up again, and it's like they talk about fucking fiber and fucking 4G and shit, and it's like dog shit. It's fake. Everything is fake over there.
All right, guys, let's get into the stream. Let me just quiet the music down here. All right, welcome everyone. Guys, in the general chat, I have you muted for just a second. Some things I want to go over. Let's take a look. All right, for all the tools that we use on the stream, they can be found at bapicIndicator.com. The referral link is in the description of the stream. All of the indicators are listed here under the indicators tab. And we also have a lot of free stuff available. Go check them out on TradingView. Extremely useful. These are based on mathematics, so you don't have to, draw random lines. If you don't know why drawing random lines doesn't work, check out the Skinny on Options Math on Tasty Trade videos. They go over in great detail as to why what you're doing is just charting randomness, and it's actually been mathematically proven to not work. Yeah, go check them out there. There's a lot of good free videos available. I use marketchameleon.com to source my trades because they can provide the IV30 rank for a lot of the stocks, and also a fantastic resource. They have a premium version as well. I'm not familiar with what the premium benefits are, but check them out. Brilliant.org. We're not sponsored by these guys, but you can learn a lot about mathematical concepts, mathematical fundamentals, logic, scientific thinking. They have a lot of courses available. Great resources for you guys on here. All right, let's get into the stream. All right, guys, in general, welcome. I have you on stream here. Yes. And let's take a look at what happened today. Sorry. Give me 1 second here. My trading view is lagged out. Hello, please. There we go. All right. Let's take a look at what happened today. S&P 500 had a big update going back. Let's see here. Did anything change from the trending perspective? Yes, drift is a little bit higher today. Did anything change on the free indicators? No, not a lot. Still a rise in volatility. You are getting entropy on the shorter time frame that I have it set. Not time frame, but on a shorter period that I have it set here on. I usually have it on the 365 300 to sort of give me context on the very, very big moves. You do have a move up. We'll have to see how this closes today. You do have a move up on the MOM3G. Suggesting that the trend is getting weaker here. Still nothing on the PEP. No flash. I wonder if there's some on the shorter time frame here. For example, 100. Nope, still nothing. All right. You are getting a similarity. Hey, Anix, thanks for the follow, man. Welcome back. uh, Thanks, man. On the SSR, you are getting a move down, suggesting that, hey, these days are really not similar to each other. You do have, I have the QMZ score on the SSR right now, suggesting that, hey, you have a extreme low here on the SSR actually. So could we see tomorrow being a green day and the SSR move up? Very, very possible. Let's take a look from this perspective here. Volatility is still rising, and trend is now getting weaker to the downside. So it's very likely that we will see this follow through with Bitcoin, but there are some things that I want to see flip before I'm comfortable suggesting that. One of those is for it to climb above the POV MA line, and another is to form a positive trend here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been a massive mover today. Yes, up to 47,715. Wow, big move for Bitcoin. Almost 9%, almost 9%. And you did get an exit on the Encore. I think it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago. And we're now seeing a positive trend developing on the momentum indicators. This is the Triple M package for those guys who have it. These are the tools that I'm using on this chart. You are also getting Hearst to go into trending territory. So very, very likely that, you know, if these flip positive, we will see some follow through. Probably on the MOM3G, we have seen it already go positive. I do really, really like that indicator for momentum. Yes, you've seen it on ACDC. Let's wait for the MOM to load. Yes, and the MOM is the first positive day today. So I'll be looking for this to continue as long as those persist. You are getting yellow flashes in a very high area on the PEP, so that's something to watch for as well. So it looks like Smintz is not going to get his 12K. That's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Maybe in another 5 years. We'll have to wait and see. All right, let's take a look at it from the free tools perspective. Where are the free tools? Yes. So it looks like we've worked off the kurtosis and the skewness as well. This could come closer to that 0 point in the future and could actually go positive. I'm not suggesting that we have to do that or anything, but we're kind of moving in that direction with volatility still rising. So to me, the assumption that I'm making here is that this was the dip to buy, and that we will continue this as long as the positive momentum persists here. Let's take a look at the SSR perspective on Bitcoin. Yes, SSR is actually moving up, and it is giving you a extreme high here. So could we see some red days, because it doesn't really stay high for very long. Yeah, so we could actually see some red days going forward. I don't care to really call that for right now. I would just suggest that, hey, SSR is at an extreme and it's unlikely to persist there. We have seen moves like this though. You know, like this is, I believe, the first day. Yes, this is the first day that it's outside of the band, and we've actually stayed outside of the band for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days before. So you know, I wouldn't be comfortable suggesting that, hey, tomorrow is going to be a down day, especially with a severe move like this. So this could persist for quite a few days. Very nice tool, the SSR, for giving you kind of the certainty that, hey, you know, you're gonna get a bunch of stuff in a row. Very nice. All right. Anybody in chat looking at anything today, trading anything today? You know, we're kind of just here to chill out. I don't really want to go over the totality of the market like I usually do. I don't think there's a point to that. Maybe glance at rates. Rates are lower today. Exciting stuff. Check coin. Let's take a look. We actually took a look at coin this morning. Let's start with the free tools. Inkosh, have you checked coin on the omega ratio at all? nothing significant here on the free tools actually. Negative, can you look at Doge GF? Yes, I will absolutely look at Doge GF. Yo, Marky, are you trading Doge GF? Let's see what coin. I don't think there's enough history for actually Pep to form an opinion on this, but let's take a look. Nothing significant on the distribution. I bought in a whole Doge GF. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I think Marky was doing some crazy stuff with the alts. I think he's just been buying and fucking good on him. It's now 4x. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, we'll get to Doge GF. Okay, the thing I would say about coin is you do see a decline in trend here. You're not getting confirmed on the IBCW Z-score. I do want to check on the other ones. What's mom saying? Yes, you do have a decline in the negative trend. You would expect this one to follow with Bitcoin, quite low on the volatility metric here, but this one hasn't been out that long. It does have enough data to sample, so I would pay attention to this. Let's see. Okay, let's take a look at Doge GF. Okay, so this is a wrapped Ether versus Doge GF. So if we were to find out the price of Doge GF, the chart would look something like this. Powerful. These would also be inverse to significantly positive, right? And this would be actually moving up because they don't inverse on the when I flip the chart. Right, so this is extremely powerful. This doesn't have a lot of history from a trading perspective. I don't want to speculate on this. I would just be assuming that, hey, this is going to continue as long as liquidity keeps pouring in. Like, you're going from an inefficient market to a somewhat efficient market, and that's why we're kind of getting this stuff. Right, let me actually transition like this. Yes, okay, perfect. You guys can see. Type 1 minus Dodge GF wrap death. Indies also flipped. All right, let's try that. Yeah, I think there's something here we go. 1 minus. There we go. Yes? No. With space in between. No. All right, I think that people get the point though. Like if you just inverse this and you just consider this positive instead of negative because they don't flip, very positive trend. As long as that continues, I would keep an eye on that one. Just because there isn't a lot of history on it, you know, we can't really speculate on it. Looks like volatility is rising on it. Looks like you do have positive skewness in kurtosis, probably quite a significant amount actually. Let me check that. Excess kurtosis, let's take a look. Yes, you do have that. It's now working it off. And then skewness, yes, you have a lot of positive skewness. Sorry guys, be right back. Bro, it's my food just got delivered. Sorry guys. Give me 1 second. The guys Annex and Poppy, if you guys wanna, you know, talk shit or you know, talk your trades, what you guys been looking at, that would be awesome. I'll be just 1 second here.
Yo, NX,
What's up, bro?
what's up? Yeah, if you want to share your screen, because I'm now not at the computer.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
My computer's
Close
running.
all,
It's doing a lot of updates.
close all
'Cause
your
I
porn
just.
tabs.
I don't know if I'll be able to stream at all, man. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that's not happening.
No.
No, my computer just froze. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay.
Powerful.
Oh, God.
So what do you think about those GF, Annex?
Let's see.
Alright, sorry, bros. The most unprofessional streamer of all time.
Powerful.
Powerful.
Okay, good that you're back because yeah.
Alright, I think Skay actually posted it. Yes, no, I don't think so, man. I don't think the indicators flip.
No, I think only the colors flip from the bars.
Powerful though. Powerful. How much did this do? This is on daily candles. It says it's only up like 100%, only 100%. Jesus Christ. That's fucking insane.
No, I think it got listed later on this exchange.
Ah, okay.
Because when I bought it, it was like underneath 1,000. What, I don't know. I don't even know how to call it.
Yeah, it's so...
like 4 times as cheap.
Millionth of a cent.
Yeah, man. I calculated if it goes 1 billion X, then it's at it was at $1.
Yeah. Can you imagine? Can you imagine if you become richer than Warren Buffett betting on a fucking shitcoin? Bro, that would be the biggest fucking diss.
Yeah, about 217 billion.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah. Oh no, but the other one I don't think it's even on the. Yeah, I bought some stuff, you know, that's not even listed.
Yeah.
So I think it's pretty good, you know.
Yeah, I mean, stuff like that, you know, we can't even chart. It's not, I feel like it's not for trading. It's just, you know, you're taking a chance on, you know, letting it get hyped up and whatnot, which is totally fair.
Yeah,
but
some things, you know, like the other one that I bought is called Allbridge.
yeah.
And I just looked at the site and it's like pretty good. It's like to exchange tokens between different blockchains. So I think, oh, it's useful because I could use it myself.
Right.
And then I thought, yeah, let me just buy it, you know.
Yeah, I think Skay just took a price of it on AlphaBot and it's up 81% today. That's insane. Yeah. Let me actually go to CoinGecko to maybe
yeah, there's really not much
try and see some of the prices on those. ABR.
Hey Vlad, I think Inkosh wants to learn how to use Kelly. Can you explain Kelly to him?
Bro, get fucked. Oh my god, dude. Last 3 days this guy's been wanting to learn how to use Kelly. I've explained it so many times. No. No. No more.
I was told.
Powerful. Let's see. ABR is actually up to $3 today, $3.84.
Yeah, it was at $4. It was at $4 at some point, but yeah, it's just new. I bought it like I was number 86.
Yeah, I was number 86.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. I keep asking people to ask. Yeah, and Coach, okay. And
where's Inko's typing? In the
he's in Twitch. Yeah, he's on Twitch.
I don't see it.
Let's see those.
Let me think. What was I think? Oh yeah, maybe you can talk a little bit more about the new indicator. The what's it called? SSR or something like this.
Yeah, so we've covered SSR for the last couple of days. It does self-similarity, and it's attempting to let you know, hey, these days are likely to be similar to the last day. So for example, we do have one here where you started trending above the MA, and then you had a lot of days together that were just green. It looks like it actually gave you an early exit indication here of it declining when you still had prices moving up. So this is fantastic. It's not built on returns, which uses autocorrelation. It is using similarity instead. I don't.
Of what?
Sorry.
Similarity of what?
Self-similarity.
What?
Self-similarity?
Yeah, but based on what? You sure it's not based on it? I really don't know anything about it.
Yeah, like from the way I've heard it explained, is that it's using similarity instead of autocorrelation.
Maybe pull out the description.
Yeah, let's pull out the description. Fantastic idea. Where do I have it?
Cosine similarity? So
Yes. Let me check. Cosine similarity is a measure of similarity between two non-zero vectors of an inner product space. It is defined to equal the cosine of the angle between them, which is also the same as inner product of the same vectors normalized to both have length 1. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's similarity of the cosine waves or something like this. Man, this is too much for me.
Okay, so the I don't want to go into the mathematical concepts because I'm absolutely going to fuck it up right now. I'm going to actually study a little bit more on this because I've had very little practice on this one, and the way that I understood it currently is that you're very likely to have the same way that kind of autocorrelation works, but much more. It's a similarity of returns. Description is just description of similarity. Okay, gotcha. It's the similarity of returns. Okay, I want to do. I don't want to butcher this. I'm gonna study this. I'm gonna present this next stream, just so people don't get the wrong idea. From the assumptions that I've heard from this indicator is that you're much more likely to have days that are the same, like if yesterday was an up day, then today is much more likely to be an up day as well, as long as it's trending up, and you can measure extremes off of it. Balipour is saying it's similarity of returns. Okay, it's similarity of returns. So if today was a positive return, how likely are you to have the same return tomorrow? Okay. It is on returns. Okay. But instead of using autocorrelation, which uses some form of correlation, it is more powerful because it is similarity. Like I've heard the way I heard Bali describing is that there is a bunch of issues with using correlation. One of them is that it'll always show you a correlation between things, and another one is that it is extremely slow.
Yeah, but the other correlation is correlation between like the thing you're measuring and the same thing in the past.
Yes.
Big moves happen when similarity drops.
Yeah, big moves happen with similarity drops. Okay.
There's also when like volatility increases. That's usually after like because you get like one big red candle, then after that a green candle.
Right.
So there's like also the difference between increasing variance and increasing volatility, because variance usually increases to the way it's already going, but like volatility can increase when it keeps on like going up and down.
Yeah, like the range just gets expanded on volatility.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely want to get more practice in with this one. Also, it's still beta, but just turned out to be really useful. Yeah, like the things that I was seeing from it is that on the band squeezes too, that was kind of important to notice, because big moves seem to come out when the band squeezes. Skate, yeah, the streams do get recorded. The streams do get recorded. I'm actually probably next week going to start cutting them up into useful information and then posting them as videos, just so that you guys don't have to skim through the whole stream to you know, find some of the useful info. Powerful. What?
Yeah, all the emojis I'm posting.
Yeah. Oh my god. There you go.
Okay, now let me see what it's actually saying.
There you go.
In Kush, Bali's gonna half Kelly your ass, bro. Actually, no, he's gonna go full Kelly on your ass. Keep going.
Yo, Bali, you said big moves happen when similarity drops. I thought it was the opposite. I thought big moves happen when similarity is rising. Do I have that wrong? No, I will not be making a Kelly video in Kosh. There's already a Kelly video. Just like go back 2 videos. You fucking guy. Bands are useful because for persistency it's reasonable to assume extreme high similarity to mean. Okay. Similarity of price. Okay.
Oh.
So maybe I want to put a fucking moments thing up here.
Okay, wait. So he's saying similarity of returns goes up for big moves. So he was right about what you were saying.
Okay, similarity.
okay.
Okay.
Price is like the opposite, so it like has to do the opposite for price to go up.
Okay.
Wait, you just said it did. The bands are useful for persistency. It's reasonable to assume extreme high similarity to mean that persistency will drop. Okay.
I have another great idea. Wait. Yeah. Okay, in the meanwhile, can you do look at Mbox?
Yes, absolutely. Freedom Day dividend?
What?
What are you talking about, Mbox?
USDT?
Oh yeah,
Mbox
okay.
USDT.
There's a Freedom Day. There's a ticker for Freedom Day dividend, and it's labeled Mbox. Quite a recent one.
Yeah. There was a launch pad on the Binance.
Maybe momentum will get this better. Mbox. What are they doing? What's the narrative?
I don't know. I just bought it because it was on a launch pad, but like they're doing, it's like a NFT platform, something like that.
Gotcha. Yeah, trend is just flipped positive today. As long as it's above the POVMA, I'd be bullish on it. Nothing much to say on volatility, just all printing zeros. I'm assuming there's not enough data.
Yeah.
Like, you know, assets like these are difficult for just trading.
Yeah. And the other one is radium.
Radio.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's called radium. Yeah. That's a pretty good one. It's like I think a decentralized exchange or something like this.
Radian or radio?
Radium. RAYDUM. But the ticker is RAY. Okay.
Radum. Okay, Ray. Hang on. Yes, I see it.
Body also posted something.
All right, let's see. The top is returns, middle is volume, bottom is price. Okay. Top 3 similarity. For price, when big moves happen, your distance increases, and the distance is 1 minus sim. Okay, let me open original actually.
Oh.
I want to see this closer.
Similarity of return, similarity of volume, and similarity of price. For price, when big moves happen, your distance increases. Yeah, I think it's very hard to see like this.
I'm just trying to check it on a big move. Like when we had the returns price then volume SSR next to returns 1. Okay. So not the distance between the 3 of them, right? The distance between the angle.
Yeah.
Okay. Returns, okay. Gotta be able to mark it out somehow.
Oh. Oh.
October 1st day, someone must have woken up Green Day because shit popped this morning. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, bro. Sorry. I am a bit confused because I think Similarity does go up when prices moving, right? Like,
Yeah. It's like
yeah, okay.
the self-similarity of returns is going up when price is moving.
Yeah.
And like the similarity of price is like the opposite of similarity of returns. So in order to price to go up, then the similarity of price needs to go down.
Makes sense.
Right the first time.
Are you in the traditionals at all?
For me?
Yeah, you.
No. No, man. This is a waste of money.
Just the shit coins? Yeah, fair enough, man. I wanted to take a look at the Omegas on coin. What's going on here? Why is the Omega not working? That's weird. Alright. Let's take a look at the crypto top 100. Let's see how they did today. I think we were looking at this one. What's that?
Airlines are up huge today.
Are they?
You were asking about traditionals, yeah.
Yeah.
United, JetBlue, Delta, Southwest.
Are we gonna be reopening?
Maybe.
Bro, honestly, like a lot of people made the airline play like way early. They were in them at like the end of 2020s. XSUSD did a whopping 29% today. Rev USD actually sold down a little bit. You got VRT trending on it.
What did you say? Who used the word whopping?
Oh, a whopping, yeah, a whopper. It was a whopper today, dude.
Who said that?
Oh, bro, I'm getting some burgers tonight.
Bro, I have some burgers right beside me. I'm waiting.
Who's saying that? Because I cannot see it. Who said it?
Who said what?
Yeah, I
Whopping?
don't see it either.
Yeah.
I said it.
Oh, you said.
I said it. Just now.
Legendary.
Icon. Wasn't this I don't know if you guys remember, do you guys remember Nicholas Mertens? He was super the fucking like altcoin dude. Who was
Dude,
like,
what was his name on was it wasn't the moon, right? That's fucking Carl.
no, that was someone else. Yeah, it was just this like little dude, you know, and he kept talking about how everything was gonna moon, and like it was like pre-TA retardedness. It was like more retarded than that.
Yeah.
Yo, looks like Bitcoin is pumping again, man.
Again.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Bro, Smins is gonna be so upset.
Like, look, if you look at Ethereum, like usually when they do, both do the same thing, like Ethereum, BNB, and excuse me, Bitcoin, then usually they pump.
Yeah, I think the whole market actually want to see Total 2. I want to see XBTC. Yeah, Total 2 is having a good fucking day. Hearst is entering trend on Total 2.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, powerful time to be alive, man.
Very powerful. As volatility is going up.
So, maybe we're gonna see some whopping gains.
Okay, you know, it's between that and interesting. I'm fucking running out of words, okay? It's almost the time in the stream where calculating wealth regrets not trading crypto. Dude, I go to sleep regretting, I wake up regretting, okay? I'm always regretting.
Solana up a whopping 15%.
You guys are such fucks.
Oh,
let's see.
Man.
God damn it. Yes.
Altcoin whopping almost
Oh my
14%.
God.
Whopping.
All right, and with that, the stream is now over. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, and I was looking at, did you see what happened on Hex?
What happened on Hex? Did Dickie Hart pump it more?
No, it was like dumping a little bit, and then in 1 minute it did a whopping 14.63% in 1 minute.
Oh no, this is a market cap for Hex. Where's Hex USDT? What exchange is it traded on?
Hotbit, and then they are like on the Hit BTC, and I think Uniswap, and maybe SushiSwap. I don't know.
I can't even get readings on those.
Oh. Let me check it out.
Oh yeah, it did do quite a lot. See it on daily.
Well, yeah, so Uniswap, TokPi, I don't know what it is. And then it's on Hotbit and on Hit BTC.
43 cents.
Yeah.
He's got some mechanism built into it, doesn't he? Where he where you can't sell it or something. What's the?
Yeah, you can just lock it, you know, like with staking.
Yeah.
And you also cannot short it, so that's also good. Yeah.
So it's buy only. You buy it and then you hold it. When can you actually exit?
The spot market. You can just sell it on the spot market.
Okay, gotcha.
You don't have to lock it.
Can't miss out on the crypto nonsense, bro. These will be crypto's glory days. True. Theta did quite a bit today. I actually used to have a shitload of Theta. I'm pretty sure I lost my Theta wallet.
No.
That was a long time ago. Long time ago. You have to pay a fee to sell, I think. Okay, gotcha.
No. I think you have to. I think you have to pay a fee to unlock it early, maybe, but you don't have to pay a fee to sell.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe just trading fees like the normal ones.
Is anything losing money? Luna did minus 2% today.
Yeah, but it was up. Like
Yeah. It was moving up before, and it's actually got a significant skewness in kurtosis.
Yeah, so like Hex is now flat, so I think it's gonna pump. Because only pumps, you know. And what else do I got? Let me see. Oh. No. Binance, yeah. Just look. Oh, everything is just looking good, man.
Yeah, across the entire market, not a lot of things went. Only Luna really went down 2% today, and that's like a nothing burger.
Nothing burger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, insane, man. I did 24 hours. I did 13.22% on the portfolio.
Not bad. Not a bad day.
Juicy.
Not a bad day.
Juicy as fuck, bro.
So. And then even a little bit more because I have like those things that pay interest, you know.
With the yield stuff, yeah, that's a pretty interesting play actually. With the yield stuff, like I don't know if I would trust locking it up, but I guess if your time preference, like you're taking a trade on like.
You don't have to lock it. You have like different things. Some things you have to lock, but other things you don't have to lock. It's like flexible staking.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. So
I did
tell a little bit more about what's happening in China.
What's happening in China?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at their stock market.
Because I was talking with some people and they say, China is going down, blah 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 blah. They have problems. More like on the financial side of things, you know.
Well, they've been. I mean, I went over some of this the other day. They have been tightening credit for a bunch of shit. Like only letting really certain industries have access. And I know there's also a bunch of companies that are near default, like Evergrande, and so if they don't get credit, it's going to be a little bit tough for them. And we kind of been seeing the stock market there decline for a long time.
Yeah.
I think it's been 144 days. What's that?
I heard there was like a company that like 250 billion in debt.
That's probably Evergrande. I know they have a bunch of debts off books too. People were speculating how much it was in RMB, but I didn't do the conversion on that. I have no idea what their currency is actually worth. I should check that out. Yeah, the Evergrande chart just looks like complete shit, honestly.
300 billion in debt.
Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Evergrande. There's also a bunch of people suggesting that more than 300 billion in debt according to Google. We don't get access to the Chinese internet over here, so we don't get the information, whereas on the Chinese internet there are actually way more statistics available. I personally don't know how to access that, but I saw a bunch of people posting pictures that a bunch of companies that are in the similar sector, right, in the real estate development sector, are also very close to this kind of debt. And it's nice when you're expanding debt and it's easy money, but when it's tightening, it's fucking terrible. Teetering on the edge of financial collapse, weighed down by 88.5 billion debt burden with liabilities in excess of 300 billion. Okay, so the debt is 88.5 and liabilities of 300 billion. That's fucking a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Like I don't know how China will actually react to it. Like at the end of the day, like the central bank can just buy it.
Yeah.
You know, like they.
Who owns this company? Who owns this company?
Let's see.
Like,
It's probably been kidnapped already.
yeah, that's what I think that's going to
Yeah.
happen.
Is right? Yeah, Evergrande Fortune Global 500. Hui Ka Yan, age 61, chairman of the board group, chairman of the real estate group. Professor Hui is responsible for organizing the overall development strategies of the group.
He did a great job.
Oh, CCP's on its way, bro. Oh my god. Bro, it's such a dark world over in China. Like, I don't know. Like, we don't even know the shit that happens, you know? They keep it so tight.
Yeah.
Didn't the Alibaba guy disappear for a good while?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But
And
is he back?
And he didn't even go
And
bankrupt.
All those dual listed companies are down fucking huge. Baba, Pinduoduo, everything. Fucking.
Yeah, but they took all his shares or something like that, right?
Yeah, probably like nationalized or something. Whatever. Let's take a look.
This whole thing is just gonna basically cause more fucking regulation in China. They're gonna fucking just go crazy with it. They're gonna be like, see, we told you, we needed more regulation with Evergrande and shit. It's not gonna be because it's less regulation or whatever.
That's their answer to everything. Is just like, if it was more regulated, things would be so much better.
Yeah, they want to regulate everything, man.
Use a lot of.
The SEC has decided to extend 4 Bitcoin ETF deadline. Man, fuck Bitcoin ETF, man. Nobody cares about Bitcoin ETF.
Yeah, we have Bitcoin. Yeah. Why do we need an ETF?
Yeah.
Did you guys ever see that clip of Jack Ma and Elon Musk talking at a fucking conference? And it was just so blatantly clear that Jack Ma is a little bit of an idiot.
No.
Let's see if I can find that.
Jack Ma, who is this Jack Ma again? I really
Jack Ma's the Alibaba guy.
Oh, that's the Alibaba guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, AI.
So look at his head. So
I hate the word AI called artificial intelligence. I call it Alibaba intelligence.
Yeah. Might end up being true. You never know.
Oh, now you also got another guy. Xu
Getting information out, basically.
Self-made man.
Yeah,
I'm all from the Chinese real estate sector.
They just replaced him, eh?
Always amazed about what your vision about the technology. I'm not a tech guy. I think more about life.
The founder
I think
of the,
AI is going to open a new chapter of the society of the world that people try to understand ourselves better rather than the outside world. And it's so difficult to predict the future. 99.99% of the predictions that human being had in the history about the future, all wrong.
Including that one?
Oh yeah. Only, you know, the 0.00% of the prediction are right. They're right because by accident.
Yeah, but it's also true that 80% of statistics are false.
Yeah. So my meaning is
cold room. Come on, guys. That was a joke.
I'm happy about the people worry a lot about this today. Are those people I call them called college smartness. people like us, street smart, we never scared of that. We think it's a great fun, and we want to change ourselves to embrace it.
I don't know, man. That's like famous last words. Let me tell you, like you couldn't evolve silicon circuits. There needed to be a biology to get there.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about something fun. What do you think about that? Actually, I'm not interested in Mars. I just came back from there, so I'm more interested on the Earth, the things, what's going on happening here. So why you are so curious about the Mars? Just one step, you go to Mars.
What's that?
Oh no, you're watching the video. Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Mars, but you will never be able to come back.
Yeah,
so that's my view.
That's not how it works, though.
And also,
no, don't do it.
I hate to go to Himalayas too. I mean, when you climb on the, I think someday I will go there when the elevator is ready. I will go there have a look. But so that's my view about jobs. Don't worry about it. You will have jobs.
Yeah. I think, man, you think of like technology and technology awareness. It's like if there was like a topological map of technology awareness, it's mostly flat, with a few short buildings and then some very tall spires. And unless you're on that very tall spire, it's not obvious what the topology is.
Yeah. I never worry about the things that I cannot solve. I left other people to solve it. If nobody can solve it, just let it be. That's my life. Oh, let's talk about education. I'm quite interested about it.
Fucking Jack Ma, man, just rambles on about shit.
Yeah, it looks a bit like a retard.
Looks a lot like one. Oh.
Oh yeah, and did you check out the energy sector?
No, I didn't actually. Let's take a look. We saw nat gas this morning. Let's take a look. Nat gas futures.
It was dumping a bit.
Yeah, it was dumping a bit. I actually want to see the mom on it. Mom, where's my energy? Entropy off. Yeah, went negative today. Went negative. Yeah, I think so. Like, I know I was actually out with some university exchange students today from England, and you know how they're having the gas shortage over there. You know, a lot of that does have to do with the price of oil, right? So the oil's been fucking skyrocketing, and everybody's been getting crazy over there. And he was saying, yeah, like it's just you know, it's like a psych thing, you know, like because it was the same thing with toilet paper. Just as soon as somebody mentions a shortage, everybody runs out and gets it. But you know, prices do affect it quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know. Whereabouts are you right now, Marky?
What?
Whereabouts are you right now? What part of the? Yeah, are you in Europe?
Yeah, Netherlands.
Do you guys have any issues with gas?
No. Only the price.
Only the price, isn't that always the issue? Yeah, actually, entropy on it. Oh, I guess it's moving up. Yeah, it's moving up, but you did have a nice bit of lower entropy here. You don't have anything significant on the skewness or kurtosis. You have a low in volatility, looks like. I'm looking at the US oil CFD. Price is about to push all-time highs, $75 a barrel.
Is it all-time high? Yeah, I thought it was higher.
I want to take a look. I think this is the all-time high. I don't think we ever. Oh no, we have been higher. Holy crap!
Yeah, It was
Yeah,
like
we
one time
have.
130 or something.
When was this? This was 2011. We went to $116 oil. Oh, we went even higher than that. 140 in
Yeah.
pre 2008, right before the crash.
Oh yeah, man. 2008. Yeah.
Bro, look at the entropy on that though. That would have been a sick play.
So yeah. Yeah, that was a huge crisis, man. It's like uncomparable with this fucking. Imagine how huge it was. If you think, oh,
Yeah,
this is already huge, man. The fucking 2008 crisis was like 3 years only.
yeah, that was nuts. And the crazy thing is that like you look at like GDP rates, we never went back to the to the trajectory that we had before. We recovered, but we didn't recover to the same extent that we should have. Then you see this kind of like instability shit happening. Yeah, I don't know. Like if UK is already having a shortage at $70 a barrel, if we
Yeah,
go to
but come on.
140, that's gonna be nuts.
Well, I think also the shortage maybe in UK might have something to do also with the Brexit, right?
Well, I mean, Brexit has been, here for a while, hasn't it? Like, I think when was Brexit?
2 years ago, maybe. I don't know.
Let's take a look. Oh shit, I'm wrong. It was 31st of January 2020. It wasn't that long ago. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Man. They talked about it for a long while,
Where was oil
but
price? January 2020. Yeah, it was at 55. I mean, it wasn't that much more expensive than it is now.
yeah, but only I think they maybe have to pay extra taxes to import shit or something like this. So maybe that's why there's a shortage. I don't know, but I think there's enough oil.
Yeah,
Like there's still a lot of oil tankers just laying. How you say this? They're just
just like
laying in the ocean.
sitting outside of
Yeah,
the coast.
yeah.
Yeah,
Remember when like in March there was so many tankers.
yeah, that's
Man,
true in the
they
US
still
too.
are.
It's
It's just bullshit.
shipping so fucking expensive right now.
Yeah, it's just bullshit, man. Come on, man.
Yeah,
In like 1 year ago, you got paid. You get paid to buy oil, and now there's a shortage.
yeah, dude. Imagine that. Hey, you just stock up the backyard with oil.
Yeah, and nothing happened. Like in the last year, I don't think there was not much airplanes, nothing, man. Like all the airplanes, like okay, not all the airplanes, but a lot of airplanes got like all new airplanes got you say this word in English. They just break down new airplanes because it costs more to put them in a hangar than
Right,
just to fucking just get rid of it.
right.
Wait, let me see if I can find it.
I did a solid 2% today. Fucking goddamn stock market.
Let me see. Yeah, the recycling airplanes.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, we did get a new monthly today, didn't we? Yeah, let's actually take a look. What the
And can you check out the Boeing and the Airbus?
Yeah, absolutely. Just looking at Bitcoin monthly, and we actually went down on the mom. Started trending negative. I think this is the first. Still above the POVMA though. Let's take a look at Boeing. Is Boeing a defense stock as well?
Yeah. They have defense contract, yeah. But I think Airbus too. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's also pretty good. Like the big digi is a re, you know, but like he said, yeah, he just only buys stocks that has like defense contracts. Yeah, so they
Yeah,
never go
it's not
down, you know.
bad. Yeah,
Yeah.
they'll always have business to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's very positive on mom. I think it's a little bit. No, it's still going up. Okay. Positive on the POVMA. Volatility is rising. I bet the volatility is down on 7-day too. Or I should look at the weekly rather. No, it's actually up on the weekly. Wow.
Wait, what are you looking at now?
I'm looking at Boeing on the weekly HVP.
Yeah.
Also significant skewness and significant kurtosis on the distribution.
Yeah, see, that was a safe buy, you know, because you know when it dumps, they're gonna fucking buy it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Because
mean,
yeah,
it
if
would
they
like it
understand.
fucking like tripled off the no, it doubled off the low, doubled and then some.
Yeah. I just looked up like the top 10 uh IT contractors. What the fuck did they say? The top 10 IT contractors. I think
Yeah.
that's like is General Dynamics.
Yeah.
I think that was like General Motors, Leidos Holdings, L3 Harris Technologies, Raytheon, Perspecta, Dell, Booz. I don't know. I don't know half of these companies.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, this is IT contracts. Wait.
Yeah. Are you looking for military contracts?
Yeah. Yeah. Just whatever. Just like defense contracts.
I think Raytheon might be like a crossover between software and IT shit.
Yeah. Even
Yep.
found on Wikipedia.
Raytheon will do it.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, Raytheon, like number 3.
Raytheon, Lockheed
23.8
Martin.
billion.
Jesus.
And the
Lockheed Martin.
percentage of total revenue from defense
Yeah.
for Raytheon is 94%. So
Yeah, that's a defense stock for sure.
yeah, and Boeing is only 29%. And then the Lockheed, I think they make weapons or something like this.
Yeah, Lockheed Martin makes some cool shit.
Yeah, weapons and aircraft. More for the military, like fighter jets and shit, I believe.
They make like stealth tech too, which is
Yep.
fucking insane. Actually getting yellow flashes on the pep here.
Yeah, and you even have Russian shit. Tactical Missiles Corporation. Like Russian shit. Yeah.
Bro, our shit is named so straightforward. Tactical missile.
Tactical Missiles Corporation. Oh yeah.
Is it even traded?
What?
I don't think it's traded. Tactical Missiles Corp.
It is called maybe JSC maybe?
GS.
Or KTRV.
No, I don't think it's traded, yeah. I can't imagine a Russian fucking military company being traded on the stock market though. Like these guys keep it pretty government based.
Let me see. KTRV. Yeah, I don't know. No, I cannot find it. But yeah, there's also not a really big company. It has like 3.5 billion in defense revenue.
Yeah, the market over here is not big. What is the want to see 1.4 trillion GDP for Russia. I think
Oh yeah, and
Germany's got like, yeah.
Airbus also as a defense contract.
Is there must be a defense ETF.
I don't know. But it's crazy that there's not a single Dutch company.
Are there factories
In Netherlands?
in Netherlands?
Yeah, they do like how do you call this? Like GPS things, radar shit,
Oh, no way.
missile. I don't know what they do.
Right. Like guidance systems and shit.
Yeah, the high tech shit. Because you have pretty smart people over here in Netherlands.
Yeah, pretty positive across the aerospace and defense sector. They do have a ETF. It's ITA.
Ah. Yeah, that shit will always go up, you know.
Let's
Because
see.
yeah, they have to pump their own shares.
Yeah, of
Like
course.
that's a joke.
Of course.
Yeah, that's really a pump and dump. Just buy your fucking all shares from from companies with a defense contract, and then fucking go and bomb a random country. Yeah, yeah, and that's insane.
When when's the defense crypto coming out?
So
Next $1 trillion idea right here.
man, shit is pumping, man. Let me see what's pumping. Oh, the Albridge, yeah, it's pumping, man. It's now $4.37, and I bought it around $1.80. Oh,
Oh,
yeah, man, there's like 100 something percent, 140%.
it's insane.
Yeah, in 2 days. But you have to wait a little bit, you know. Don't, you know, the thing is that you want to buy everything, you know.
Yeah,
But you
just
have
in
to
like
like,
little bits.
yeah, and then maybe take some profit on some projects and just put in other projects, and then just sit on it.
Yeah, you sit on it, Marky.
Yeah, sit on it. uh, uh, yeah, because well, if you think about it, you know, like if you look at the chart and then you scroll to the left and then you think, wow, if I bought here, oh, yo. But at the moment that you buy it, it's never obvious, you know. You always look like a retard when you buy it. But then, yeah, yeah. But then 2 years later, you know, whoa, they're gonna think, whoa, genius.
Genius. True.
Mm-hmm. But you don't have to like, don't buy like the really shit, like the Doge GF. Okay, I just bought it because there had so many zeros, you know.
Yeah,
It had like one,
because you
two,
could be a
three,
billionaire somewhere.
6, 7, 8, 9. It had like 9 zeros behind the comma, 9 zeros. So yeah, I thought, yeah, maybe people just want to buy it because there's so many zeros, you know. Yeah. Was Bitcoin pumping again?
No, I'm probably not even gonna be able to watch the day end on it. It'll be too late in my time.
Yeah, it was like 3 o'clock.
It's 10:41 p.m. right now.
No, I mean the close.
Oh, the close I think is at 4, no?
3, I think, right?
And I don't even know.
Well, it's in.
I'm like in a different time zone.
4 hours and 18 minutes.
Yeah.
There's a 3. Oh, here's at 2, man. That's also fucked up, man.
It's like some places have a time change, some don't have it. And then there's like time zones and shit.
Yeah, man. Well, it's good because like it's 2 o'clock, and in the summer or in the winter, I don't know, it's like 1 o'clock, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's both fucked up, you know, but yeah, 1 o'clock is better than 2 o'clock, but yeah. Man, it's good, you know, when you party a lot, then there's no problem. It's 1 o'clock, you know? Only, if you wake up at 8, 9, yeah, that's a little bit fucked up.
True.
But, yeah. It is what it is, man. Yeah. At the end of the day, it's just work, you know. So, and I was looking at the you know, the agri trade, when you see like all the trades from all the exchanges.
I haven't seen it. What's it called? Agro trade?
Agri trade. AGGR.trade.
Let's take a look. DNS could not be found.
It's like just AGGR.
Yeah.
Trade.
Oh, I see it. I see what I did. It's undergoing an update soon, version 3. Let's take a look at that.
Yo, frozen burgers, what's up, my G?
What's up, Forsen?
You know who it is, frozen burgers?
I kept calling him Forsen. It was he was in Discord, no?
I don't know, frozen burgers? I don't know who it is.
I don't know who it is.
So,
What?
I think he has a different name in Discord.
Rosenberg, okay. What's up, dude? That's pretty cool. The agro trade.
Aggregated trades. I think.
Aggregated trades. I wonder if there's a API for this thing.
Yeah, we was watching that, you know. It was always we were in here, like in the voice chat, and we were just watching this, the 10-second chart, man. Only on Bitcoin. Oh yeah. And someone was even trading it. It was like flat, the other flat.
The other one, yeah.
Yeah, he was trading it. He put like a moving average on it, and then
oh my fucking god. Next level.
What I was about to say. Yeah, man, like OKX, you can see OKX doing a lot of volume, man. Maybe it's not a bad idea to buy like the OKX token. I think they have a token.
Honestly, all exchange tokens, I feel like any of the ones that have gotten like relatively big, it wouldn't be such a bad idea.
Yeah.
Like FTX and shit.
Yeah, but you can see like Binance is still boss, man.
Yeah.
Binance is boss. Like FTX, I don't know. The name is maybe not so good. Like the Binance, you know, the name is powerful, man. Like
yeah, that's true. And they're fucking crazy on marketing. All I see are Binance ads in Russia.
Yeah, man. Binance is powerful, man. So that's why it has like a little bit higher price, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think like FTX is not like as trustworthy as Binance.
You think so? You like the CZ? You trust the CZ?
Yeah, but most people don't know CZ, and they don't know that guy Sam, you know?
Yeah, it's true.
It's like more the name, and like if you have an X in your name, it sounds cool, you know? But like you had a time that every crypto with an X was just popping. Yeah, because it sounds cool, you know? Oh,
Right.
RPX, XRP, XCG, like everything with an X in it was just pumping. Yeah. Yeah. But I don't know, man. Binance, it just sounds powerful. Yeah.
True. Binance sounds like finance.
Yeah. Bisexual finance.
Bisexual. I trust Dick Hart more than CZ or Sam.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Dick Hard, man. Dick Hard is
Dicky,
powerful.
man. Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Why does he dress like that though? Like honestly.
I think I know who it is. Frozen Burgers. I think it is Jeremy.
It's Almighty Rosenberg.
Jera. Almighty Jera. I think probably Almighty Jera.
Is it? Is it Jared?
I think so, yeah. Oh, Almighty Rosenberg. Oh,
Yeah, it's Almighty
shit.
Rosenberg.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Dick Hart, man. He's powerful. Yeah, it makes sense. Rosenberg, frozen burgers. Yeah. Yeah, because Almighty Jara also he hates Richard Hart.
Why? What did he ever do to you?
I don't know. I don't think that he just don't like it that the guy gets rich, you know, because he used to be a scammer. I don't know.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, but yeah, that's not what it's about, you know. It's about making money yourself. It's not about what other people are doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, if the project is good and it pumps, yeah, I just buy it, man. I'm not in it for like, for charity or something like this. Yeah. Yeah, you can do other things. If you make money and you want to do charity, you know, there's a lot of things you can do, you know. But yeah, if you don't own hacks, yeah, I don't know what to say, man. Yeah, let's be honest. It's like, yeah, man, it's like the best performing coin all time.
Bro, in 2 weeks it's gonna be like, hey, if you don't own Dodge GF, I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like Dodge GF, like it's like a knockoff, and it has like a lot of zeros behind the comma, you know. It's like, I almost wanted to sell it, but yeah, now it's already up for 4x, you know. So yeah. And also I look at the addresses, like the active addresses and the holders, you know.
Yeah.
And as long as that is going up, you know. Let me see what it is now. 45, 65. Yeah, it's like 83% up today.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah. And let me see. Oh yeah, there's like 1,929 holders. And when I bought it, it was like 1,100, I think. So yeah. As long as it keeps going up, then and you can also watch the transaction because it's like at Uniswap, you know. So you can just see almost all the transactions. So as long as there's people buying and a lot of people selling, yeah, it's good to go, man. I think it's maybe another 200% tomorrow, maybe, or like 100%, maybe. Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe 1,000%, maybe 1,000,000. Maybe I'm richer than Warren Buffett.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah, because it went like to like 5,000. Let's say it went to 5,000, and then it went back to like 3,400, you know. And I thought, shit, I should have sold, you know.
Yeah.
Shit. But now it's just going up steadily, going up. It's almost back at 5,000 again, 4,500. So yeah, now I think, yeah, okay, next leg up, man. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. It's like, I think it's like 1 day old or something like this. 1.5 day. So yeah.
Shit, we got 9 minutes till the close. Let's actually take a look at the trads.
Yeah, this powerful, man. Powerful trade. And it's fucking weekend. So yeah. Bitcoin can pump all week, man. All weekend. Yeah. Of course, everybody anticipating a pump on Monday.
I mean, is the DWT saying anything? No, nothing. Oh, I'm looking at monthly. No, nothing. I mean, the trend is still negative on the traditionals.
On daily?
On daily, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, the thing is, like, they want to fuck so many people as possible, you know?
Yeah.
And everybody's waiting for, like, oh yeah, because of the corona and shit, everything has to down, blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah. So yeah, I think it's just gonna go up, you know? Just easy. Yeah.
Just wait for Powell to do his thing.
Yeah, it just keeps on going up, like, relax. And also, like, if you look at HVP, it's like, it's not printing zeros, you know? So yeah, why would it dump?
Yeah.
Like, I change the settings of the HVP to, let me see what it is. I think 1000, yeah, 100.
Oh, you're looking at the long-term one, hey?
Yeah, 1100.
Yeah.
Like, you have to just wait for, like, the zeros before it dumps. And then it doesn't even really dump, you know? But yeah, it can stay at 0 and still pump. But like, unless it's like already at 0, I don't think it's dumping, man. Let me check out the weekly. Oh, weekly doesn't show. I think I have to go to this one. Yeah, and the other weekly, you know, if you go to like the S&P, like not the futures or the ETF.
Yeah.
Then like fucking, if you look at the weekly, it's really high, like the volatility.
Oh yeah.
The HVP, so yeah.
But this this on like a really long-term one.
Yeah. And if you look at it daily on the normal, let's say on the on the spot market of the S&P.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not printing zeros, you know.
No, it's not even giving it to you on like the QMZ score.
Yeah, and the 12 hours also not have 0. So yeah. And also, like it dumped, like it was very high volatility at in March, and just volatility just cooling off, you know. And price going up, yeah.
Yeah, I always keep mine on the 3365 on the dailies, but the long one is super interesting to look at because it gives you these massive moves. Yeah. Like it gave you the Rona dump, the 08 dump, 2018 dump. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, secret settings.
Baby 2K.
Yeah. Yeah, because like people are retarded. Why would you use like a smaller sample size, you know? Like it only, it's gonna give you more signals, but less significant signals.
Yeah.
Like what you want is like the good signals, right? It's like only for poor people. Like the poor people want to use like small settings, so they can make like 2000x in 1 week.
Yeah, they want to see what's now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, same goes with time frames. Yeah, the people that want to trade in 15 minutes and shit like that. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is poor people that just want to get the millionaire.
Poor people trading.
Yeah. Yeah, and I cannot blame them, you know. But yeah, it's like their own fault, because yeah, if they just took a little bit more of the time and just traded daily and maybe just fucking take a good job, better job, study something and make more money to invest, yeah, they don't even need to trade the fucking 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Because yeah, even if you're working and a day passes by, then it's already more likely that you made money from like your investments.
Yeah.
But yeah, people don't want to work. Yeah. They only lose money, and then at the end you still have to go to work. Yeah.
True.
The M-Box is also good, yeah, man. It's like a shit project, like with shit games, blah blah blah. But I fucking bought it, and I fucking a little bit regretted it.
It's a game?
Yeah, it's like NFT platforms and
Did you ever play the game?
No. No. It went up from like, I bought it like 4, then it went up to 10. And I didn't sell, and then it went a little bit down, then I sold, and I bought back lower, and then I bought more. Yeah, and now I bought around 4 again, and then now at 5. You know, it's not bad, it's like 25%, you know?
Right.
But yeah, 25%. And the other shit I buy, and it goes like fucking 400% in 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, I don't mind, you know, if it doesn't go up like quick, but at least it has to be like a good project that, you know.
Yeah, I like the, you know, when I was scanning for the altcoins to be in, I always wanted to get one with like a powerful narrative behind it, like something that people would hear and be like, oh yeah, that's gonna be the one, you know?
Yeah.
Just like try and snag that the soonest.
And then, you know, just already like a good website and a working product.
Yeah.
That's already enough, because yes, a lot of shit they don't even have like working products. And right now, you know, okay, in 2017 it was maybe different, but now, you know, come on.
True.
You cannot buy everything. Like, people are not so dumb anymore that they fucking buy everything.
Yeah. I mean, you say that.
Yeah. Yeah, before, you know, like everything, you could buy everything. Every ICO, like, it was sold out in like 1 hour or something.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah, because people had so much ether. They had so much ether for super cheap. Yeah, and then they bought one ICO, and then it goes by like 100x. Yeah, then they even have more ether. So yeah, you can buy everything you want. And I think those people lost a lot of money eventually. Like, they lost a lot of the previous gains they made.
All right.
Let me say that. There's even one coin. It did in 24 hours. 2200%.
That's so ridiculous.
Yeah. Imagine go 22x. So you put 1,000 in it, then
there you go, 22x. That's nuts. That's nuts.
So
that's the thing, though, is if you put like 100,000 into it, you're an idiot. Even if you win, it's like you're a fucking idiot.
Yeah, man. With people that play roulette, you know.
Yeah. All right.
But you're still an idiot if you even start playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the market close. Let's take a quick scan here. S&P having a 1.2% update, Nasdaq a little bit less, 0.5%. Bitcoin and Ethereum doing almost 10% each. Crazy day in cryptos. Almost everything's up in that space. Just want to take a look at rates. Rates actually went down today, so we'll see how they open up on Monday. We'll see if that continues. What else do I want to cover? Gold, maybe. Let's take a look. Gold still HVP expansion. The downtrend is declining here. I'm expecting Mom to confirm that when it loads in. Yes, actually Mom went positive. All right, and I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. You know, watch those ASMR streamers, get those whispers in there, and yeah, relax and chill out, and get ready for next week.
I have a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's let me see.
Pump it.
Yeah, the one Emerald, and I found another hot girl, but she's playing Call of Duty.
Oh, dude, what is she doing with her life? Seriously.
The Dan Dangler. Oh, but she's hot.
Links to those streamers will be posted in Discord, so come check us out there.
Yeah.
Enjoy your weekend, guys. I hope you have an awesome time off. Take care.
So look at this. So